Hello guys, as you know I'm Derek. I already made a TED Talk video, but it was over 15 minutes long, so I'll try to make a short version, which is what I'm gonna do now. So in the other video I was typing, but now I'm not gonna type since it takes too long, so I'm just gonna copy and paste. Okay, so let's start. Imagine a person in a swamp or a pond. The scenery is beautiful. All of a sudden, the person hears a sound of buzzing. Then the person starts to feel pinches on every part of his body. This irritates him and starts to swat at the air surrounding him. Then irritation goes on for minutes until all is silent again. The result is a lot of swollen bumps on the skin. The type of insect that irritated the human is the mosquito. Mosquitoes have lived longer than all the humans. Mosquitoes have lived during the dinosaur times too. These pests have been bothering many animals for centuries. My claim is the thing that bothers me the most is obviously mosquitoes. I'm gonna copy and paste. Which I already think I did. Okay. And now continuing. During the summer, um, there are mosquitoes everywhere anyone goes. 2 years ago, during the summer, my sister and I got bit by about over 20 mosquitoes in one night. And my quote by W. Hadley: "The truly annoying part of being a mosquito meal comes in the hours and days to follow, when those red itchy bumps make us reach for those calamine lotion. Every area that, and this is not the quote, every area that a mosquito bit me was so itchy that I would do anything to make them go away. After each night, more mosquitoes would bite me. If someone receives too many mosquito bites, that person can get sick. And unfortunately, my sister and I got sick too, since we got many bug bites. This the this quote proves that mosquitoes are really bothersome because they create very, very, very itchy bumps on people's skins. And okay, I'll paste it here. And that's a quote from Debbie Hadley. Only some people think that mosquitoes can be good in one way, to be food. My quote from Debbie Hadley again. As much as we loathe them, mosquitoes represent a considerable biomass of food for wildlife on the lower rungs of the food chain. This quote shows that mosquitoes are very important because other animals need them for food, like fish or spiders and bats. If there is no larva in the ecosystem, like a pond, it might collapse. My opposing view is the problem with little larvae in water is that the larva is everywhere. Mosquitoes lay eggs in any body of water. Imagine swimming in a mosquito larva. It's not that of a good picture to think about. All of larva would get in your swimming suit or clothing. And I'll paste that here. And now on to the last supporting paragraph. Mosquitoes are very irritating and many mosquitoes can carry diseases. I'm going to stick on the topic for many mosquitoes carry diseases. Mosquitoes can carry dengue fever, yellow fever, and malaria. And my quote is, mosquitoes causes over 300 million cases of malaria around the world each year. In addition to malaria, mosquitoes also carry yellow fever. And this was from the article called "The Mosquito is the Most Dangerous Insect in the World." This quote shows how dangerous mosquitoes can be. 300 million cases of malaria around the world each year. Think about that for how much years malaria has been around. Since mosquitoes kill many people, they bother me a lot. Like, I'm not that afraid, but they kind of bother me. And these are some of the many reasons why mosquitoes bother me. And now I'm going to paste my third support here. Again, mosquitoes bother me the most. Mosquitoes are bothersome because during the summer they are everywhere, and everywhere is a mosquito paradise. Mosquito larvae feed many animals, but I don't want them in my swimming suit. Lastly, mosquitoes kill many innocent people and carry many diseases. Be safe and buy your repellent against mosquitoes. And here's all that. And if you're wondering if you want to see the works cited, it's gonna be way down there. Oh, there's the works cited down here. If you're curious. And yeah, okay.